Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious and easy burger. We'll cover everything from selecting the right ground beef to perfectly cooking your patties. You'll learn simple techniques to ensure a juicy, flavorful burger every time. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your new burger-making skills. Let's start with the foundation, your ingredients. For the best results, choose ground beef with an 80-20 fat ratio. Season your meat simply with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Gently form your patties, aiming for about 1 inch thick, and make a small dimple in the center. This prevents them from bulging while cooking. Now for the cooking. Heat your grill or skillet to a medium-high temperature. Place your seasoned patties on the hot surface and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, depending on your desired doneness. If you like cheese, add a slice during the last minute of cooking to allow it to melt perfectly. Remember, don't press down on the patties. Finally, let's assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your burger buns for a delightful crunch. Place your perfectly cooked patty on the bottom bun, then layer with fresh toppings like crisp lettuce, ripe tomato, and thinly sliced onion. Finish with your favorite sauces, add the top bun, and serve immediately. Enjoy your incredibly easy and delicious homemade burger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.